Yo, good morning guys. Yeah, I'm doing my laundry. Yesterday I already did, but yeah, I still have some. Those are the towels and those things. It is now 8 o'clock and I'm now preparing my breakfast. So yesterday was really good. I had a good time with the friends of Jen and Rafael. Yeah, we just went to the Hotel Nel and we eat there. And I learned that one of my colleagues that just resigned from my workplace is now working in there. Yeah. And then after that we eat in Shoal Bay Country Club. Shoal Bay Country Club is one of the like a go-to place after work here in yeah, Nelson Bay in the Bay Area. So my colleague after work they go there to chill, drink, things like that. I don't go, I don't drink. Yeah, it was their first time to come here in Nelson Bay and they like it here. Yeah, they are working in Newcastle. Newcastle is like 1-2 hours by bus. 45 minutes if you want to travel by your own car. And Jen is our friend. She's actually my batchmate with my training and research visa when I come here in Australia. Yes. And if I'm not mistaken, because you know our training visa is just valid for 1 year, and Jen doesn't have much experience to apply for a working visa, so she went back to the Philippines, continue working in the Philippines as a chef, as a cook, until she complete the 2 years work experience, and then she applied again for a job here in Australia, and yeah, she got it, and she's now here. There are some other guys with my training and research visa that is not qualified for working visa. So what they did is that after the training visa, they apply for student visa, and of course they study, and then part-time they are working like a rainbow of my life. Don't tell me but it's real, like love. I'm gonna take this moment, make it last forever. I'm gonna take my all away and make this thing together. And you're the one good reason. You're the only girl that I need. I'm just gonna make it hot. Okay, so this is my breakfast. This sardines, it costs us 75 cents. And the egg, 2 pieces, it costs, I don't really know, but 12 pieces of egg is $3.50. And the rice, 1 kilo is $2.50. How much it costs? Yeah, it's really yeah, you can really save a lot if you cook by yourself in your house. When I was in Sydney, I always eat outside in the restaurant. Yeah, like after work I go find the Asian restaurant and I eat rice. And then sometimes in the night when I'm feeling hungry, I go to Hungry Jack or in the nearest restaurant near the house. Yeah, that is how it is in the city, in the Sydney CBD. There are so many temptations for you to eat, to buy, to eat in the restaurant. But here, in this area, you cook by yourself and you save a lot. Yo, yeah, I got a little bit of headache. I don't know, maybe because of from yesterday. Yeah, because yesterday after meeting the friends, I went to the grocery, I get home, I work on my computer. At around 6 o'clock, I watch TV, the news. and 7 o'clock I went to bed already. I mean, I sleep already, and I wake up at around 12:30. Yeah, and that's already a complete hours of my sleep. 5 hours. That's my regular normal sleeping hours. 5 hours. Yeah, but it's still early. 12:30, early in the morning. So I decided I will stay in the bed and sleep again. But yeah, like what I said, it's difficult for me to sleep again. And I get up of the bed at around 7 o'clock. But usually headache like this is will be gone when I take shower or when I go outside. Yeah. Or maybe I was too much in front of the computer. Yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Suddenly you got a light and talk about it. Love will find a way. What about now? What about today? What if you feel behind? Okay, we're going out. I don't want this headache to keep on staying. Yeah, this is how it is today. Very calm, the water. Also not too windy this time. Yeah, it's like just so good to bike around, to stay somewhere. We're just going to the fish and chip shop to buy fish and chips. At the moment, the music that is playing is the greatest love of all. The greatest love of all. I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty they possess inside. Not too busy these days. It's today it's only me and there's one guy waiting for his meal inside. Maybe this is his car. The guy inside waiting. Expensive looking car. This is making too much noise. There are people where I am supposed to sit. Okay, we keep on going. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Okay, that's it in here. It was a beautiful view while walking, but while eating my fish and chips here. And from time to time, there are people that are passing around. Passing through, and I'm a little bit shy when they look at me because maybe they are thinking that I am alone. It's happening to me. Oh, what's going on in there? Let's check. Oh, there is like some kind of erosion. But no matter how I try, I don't wanna say goodbye to you. It is now 4:15 and I'm now preparing my coffee. Yeah, I just took a shower. It was so good inside the shower. It's so good to shower when you are when your toilet is really clean. Look at that. Yeah, I just cleaned it yesterday. Yeah, very good. Also, my towel is newly washed. Good. Good. Over there, just beneath the moon, there's a man. Yo, good afternoon, guys. Yeah, we are going home now, and today I finished at 2 o'clock. So yeah, I have complete hours today. I hope the beginning today will be working normal 8 hours. Yeah, right. Make it easier. Let the children's laughter the greatest love of all inside of me. What you gonna do? Do you like the things that I've been showing you? Where are you going to? Do you know? Okay, we are here in the grocery. We're going to buy something because I forgot that I have to meet someone. A family. Yeah, they come here already before and they gave me some Filipino stuff. And this time, I'm going to give them this one for their kids. Nice, many people are biking this time. It was a little funny. I don't know, but yeah, I said good afternoon. Yeah, that lady in the at the back. I said good afternoon, and she said good on you. Yeah, that's one of the answer. We are now here in Shoal Bay, and if I'm not mistaken, they are staying in this caravan park. Yeah, they are here in one of the unit. Hello.
Hello. Hi.
Hello, good afternoon. How are you?
One of you. Request namin na makita.
Good afternoon. Yeah, we are at the moment in the Shoal Bay caravan park. Yeah, Shoal Bay caravan park. You see there are some tents and some caravan, of course, and this is where they stay.
So, come inside. Yeah. Ito lang.
Tama-tama lang pala nakagala rin kayo ng sa umaga.
Pero maganda yung toilet nila. The toilet is very nice.